Yeah, finally, after hitting this target, we got a break-even hit. We guys, so Solana, I'm waiting for a long position from this area only with the candlestick confirmation. This cross, then I'll try a long positions. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. US session. So guys, first, okay, if it start going up, your first target will be here, this area. Okay, the recent high. The second target is on the top left side. All right. So let's wait for a stop loss or else target. If this fails, then we'll try from the golden zone. Already booked, right? Okay, booked 80% or 70%. Wait for a next target. Now keep the break even. Yeah, finally, after hitting this target, we got a break even hit. We in our group, they booked 80%. Okay, we'll wait for another setup now. Let's see.